Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video. It's your girl Crystal, and today we are getting ready for a holiday party. So I am going to be doing a holiday style, but something quick because I didn't want to wear my hair in a wash and go for the party. So what I'm going to be doing today, as you can tell from the title, is using a drawstring ponytail to get a quick and easy style. I'll show you all of the products that I'll be using today, and I am going to be doing a slick back on my hair for the first time, which means this short piece up here, it's gonna be tough, but we got to get this slick back into a low pony so that we can be cute for this party. I just finished washing my hair. I've deep conditioned my hair. Let's go ahead and hop right into getting ready to do the slick back and see how this ponytail works out.
I'm gonna go ahead and get my hair sectioned off, and what you'll see me doing throughout this video is slicking back one section at a time. When I get up to the front part, you'll see that I start using clips to actually hold the pieces to the back instead of actual bands themselves. I saw that that worked a lot for me, so if you are struggling with slick backs, you may want to try the clip method with just clipping your hair back. But I will ensure that you just kind of go through and see how I slick my hair back. I ensure that I detangle each section before I go in with a hard bristle brush to make sure that I am getting that smoothness that I actually want. And then you'll see towards the front is the actual time when I start using the Got to Be Ultra Glue. On the back sections, I'm only using the Eco Styler because those sections you're really not going to see because they'll be pretty much like the underneath part of the slick back itself. So I'm only using the heavier gel to smooth my flyaways and such towards the top. So go ahead, enjoy the video, sit back, watch as I go through this process, and yeah, I hope you all enjoy it.
All right, so guys, I am back. It has been the day I've let my hair just kind of sit and dry on its own. I set it under the dryer for just a little bit, but we're back and I'm gonna do something with my edges, but I need to figure out which ponytail I'm gonna be wearing tonight. Here's what my hair looks like from the back. So let's go ahead and just see which ponytail we're going to put on for the evening. They're very similar, but the textures are much different. The first one that I have is this fluffier one right here. I just took it out the pack, brand new. Let me show you the pack for this one. I got this off of Amazon, super cheap, and this is the 18-inch. I got it in the color 1B. It's a drawstring ponytail, and as I mentioned, this one is a little bit more fluffier, so I think that if I just kind of like do this, and once I put it on and pick it out, it may give me a more party vibe. What we thinking? Because I can kind of sling it around. And then the other one that I have is a little bit more on the kinkier side, but it also matches my hair and it looks like this. So it has a little bit more like layers that kind of go up and are short compared to the longer part. And I'm kind of going towards, let's try and see what this one looks out, because I like the way that the layers look from the side. So we're gonna try this one, and it's a little bit more kinkier too. So let's try this one out. The beauty supply did not have any more of these in stock, y'all. And why I told a man to sell me the sample, he had just put it out like 3 days before. But this is the Blossom Afro Lily in the color 1B as well. So I'll be sure to link this below. But yeah, your girl, I bought the sample and I had him give me 15% off. So, you know. Let me go ahead, let's get started into putting this drawstring ponytail on and get ready for the rest of our evening. So what are we thinking, y'all? Is it giving holiday? Is it giving, or is it giving like soulful? I kind of like it. I like the fullness of it. I like that it's a kinkier texture. I like it a lot. I'm gonna comb me out some baby hairs and spray a little bit of like sheen on my hair, but overall this is the look. So let me go ahead and work on my baby hair. That took way too much of my time, y'all. I am not a edge girl, but this is the best that I could do. For a last minute, like holiday party, this is really cute. I'm gonna go ahead, put my lipstick on, put my earrings on. I'm gonna show y'all the final outfit. And yeah, this is the look. I'm gonna go ahead and start getting dressed now. Go ahead and drop a comment right now and give me your honest opinion. I need to know, y'all, because if y'all like this and if it's cute, yeah. We got to bring these old school hairstyles back that people are just not wearing anymore. I know that people are still wearing drawstring ponytails, yeah. But back in the day, we were wearing drawstring ponytails and half wigs like it was nothing. And I have absolutely no idea why I stopped wearing drawstring ponytails because this is cute. Even though it was the the store sample. Let me go ahead and get dressed. Okay, y'all, I'm going full in on the heel. Okay, this is not my normal heel that I would wear, but I wanted to bring a little color to these. So I got this pretty wine color shoe. I'm going to wear these with them. And then I am going to pair it with this purse.